For a while now, I've been looking for a product to make my trims around my car black again. My car's about 3 years old, so they're starting to fade a little bit. What I found was Bowdens have released Mr. Black. It's a brand new product, so I thought I'd give it a review, give it a try, see how it works out. For this bottle of Mr. Black, it's $50. Only needs a tiny little bit. You can buy the whole black box. That includes sponges, microfibre cloth, cleaning product. I'm a bit of a tight ass, only wanted to spend $50, so I'm just going to use some of the products that I have here. It's currently 20 degrees, so it's an optimum temperature for doing this. If you hear any barking during the video, it's because of my lovely puppy Sarge. He's a German Shepherd with a huge play drive. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be seeing the results in about 3 months' time. So if you want to see the results of this product, make sure you subscribe, see the video. What I'm going to be using this on today is my side steps to my vehicle. I had to remove them because I've damaged them. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do a review on this product on these. I'm going to be repairing that damage. If you want to see how I remove these, check out the card at the top. And it will show you how I remove them. So I'm no way affiliated with Bowdens. This is a completely independent review. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So what I'm going to go ahead now and do is start cleaning the side steps with some wax and grease remover, and then I'll get onto this. The thing I'll mention as well is I'm not a professional detailer by any means. I'm just the average person, so you'll see how this product works out for your average person. I'm going to be cleaning both steps with wax and grease remover. That way you can see what they look like when they're back to clean. I'm now going to go ahead and start applying the Mr. Black. I've got 2 sponges and a cloth. First one to application, second one to smooth, microfibre cloth to clear off any extra. Make sure you wear gloves, so that way you don't get it on your hands. It does have black dye in it. Unless you want your hands to be black, wear gloves. I'm going to go ahead and start applying it. Remember to subscribe if you want to see what the results are after 3 months. Here we go. Also, if you do like this product, I'll leave a link in the description about where you can purchase this product from. So these are the results after 10 minutes. You can see that there's a massive contrast between the two. If you're not happy with how dark your first coat is, after an hour you can put on a second coat. But you have to leave it for 12 hours before it can get wet also. What I'm going to do is come back in half an hour when it's dried, have a bit more time to dry, and give my final opinion on what I think of the product before the 3-month review. So it's been about half an hour and you can already see that the side step is a hell of a lot blacker. There's a huge contrast between the side step that I didn't touch. So even though it's an expensive product, I think it's definitely well worth it initially to be able to apply this product. It's really easy to apply, but we'll only tell in 3 months how the product looks when it fully dries and it's been weathered. These are going to be left out together in the weather to see how they come up after 3 months. Even at a distance, you can see the massive difference that it makes. What products do you use? Do they compare to this product? Make sure you leave a comment down below of what products you use and what you think of the test of Bowdens Mr. Black. I've got a Facebook page as well. Make sure you go and like that, so that way you can see other comments. You can communicate with me directly if you don't want to in the comment section here. Make sure you hit that like button, so that way other people can see this is a good review, good product, and make their decision from there. Subscribe to my channel. I've got other great videos of how-to reviews and all other kinds of weird and wonderful things. And also make sure you subscribe if you want to see what this product looks like in 3 months, so you can make an informed decision on whether you want to purchase this or not. If you've got any other questions, leave it in the comments. I'll happily answer them. Once again, I'm an average person doing an average job. It's not perfect, but it's happy and it's good enough for me. Thank you for watching.